Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the best new deals for Walgreens starting next week from the 22nd of January through the 28th of January. And I think we got some pretty good deals. We definitely got some good deals that maybe aren't the cheapest, but we can definitely use those register rewards that we got this current week on, because I know I have quite a few that I need to work through now. So with that being said, there are no coupons scheduled to come out for the 22nd of January. I'm not sure why. It could be because of Martin Luther King Day. I thought we already had Martin Luther King Day, so there's no scheduled coupons to come out. So we don't need to spend money on coupons this coming Sunday, or if you want to catch up on a few that maybe you missed from previous weeks, you can definitely check the link down below in the description box at BQ Savings to purchase, say, maybe some extra of last week's coupons. As always, there is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box for you to use to help you plan your scenarios for next week. The Google Doc also has a couple of spend booster scenarios that we'll be going over later on in the video. One more thing I want to go over before we get into the deals is that I didn't highlight a deal of the week that is oral care, but in the ad they are showing Crest and Oral-B are again a deal of the week. So there might be a double dip again for the Oral-B for the deal of the week, and then the monthly deal that has been going on all month long that ends on the 28th. So I didn't put this in the video because I didn't want to bank on it, but definitely keep an eye out for it. You can give it a shot if you want to, but it's definitely something to keep your eyes peeled for. So let's look at the deals. So for the first deal, I have the Bounty and Charmin. They are buy two, get back a $6 register reward, and they are going to be on sale for $10.99. So the double rolls, the 4-pack, will be on sale for $10.99. Now, if you still have a dollar digital for the Bounty, you could use that. Or if you don't have that and you have a $4 store register reward from this week from, say, doing double dips, it would be perfect to use it on this in a transaction by itself because it'll take another $4 off. And since this is a buy and not a spend, then that won't take you below any spend thresholds that you need to meet if you do it by itself. So after the dollar digital coupon, your total would be $20.98. You will get back a $6 register reward. Then your total will be $14.98 for both of them, or $7.49 a piece. Of course, if you have a store register reward and other register rewards, you can use that all together. You can use Walgreens cash. This is the best type of deal when it's buy two, get back a $6 register reward, because you can use register rewards, store register rewards, and you can use Walgreens cash to lower your out-of-pocket. So if you didn't do the Bounty this week, you can do it again next week, but there is no way about a rebate for this size. Now the next deal is on the Olay body wash. It's buy two, get back a $4 register reward, and instead of buying two, we're going to buy three. So you're going to buy three of them at $7 a piece. That's going to equal out to $21. We're getting a 2 off 2 Olay digital coupon. So you would pay $19, get back a $4 store register reward. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta and get back $5 for getting three of them, making it $10 for the three of them. Now, with this deal specifically, because you're getting back a store register reward, any store register reward that you have will not work with this deal. You can use it and it'll take $4 off, but you will not get back the $4 register reward because there's the store register rewards. But you can use regular register rewards, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay for this if you are in need of some Olay body wash. The next deal we have is a deal that we had, I do believe it was 2 weeks ago, one of my favorite deals we've had. It's on the Febreze and the Dawn, and a few other products are included, but these are my ones, or my favorite ones that I want to get, mainly because they're cheap, but I love Dawn and Febreze. So they're buy four, get back a $5 register reward, and the Dawn is included, and I'm sure that the $3.99 Febreze will be included as well. So This is a picture of the $3.99 Febreze that was included last time. So getting 2 of each of those will equal out to $15.96. You can use a $3.30 off of 2 Febreze, a digital coupon. That'll bring your total down to $12.66. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $7.66 for all 4 products, which I think is absolutely incredible, and I'm definitely going to pick this up. Now, the next deal we have is a favorite of mine when it comes around, and it's on the Gillette shave products. They're buy 2, get back a $4 register reward. They're also buy 1, get 1 50% off. It includes this cheap Gillette shave foam. I love this because it's easy to throw in a transaction to get you to your mark. So, there's also other products included. There is some clearance still available at my store that could be included. So definitely check to see what your store has. So we're going to get 2 of these shave foams. My store is priced at $3.99, so one would be $3.99. The second one would be priced at $1.99. That'll equal out to $5.98. You will get back a $4 register reward, making your final cost for both of them just $1.98. And with this scenario here, you can use all the different types of rewards that we have to pay for it as well. So the next deal I have is the Gain Laundry Care. It is going to be buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. And I thought this was a good deal to show you because typically when they have the Tide, it's buy 4, get a $5 register reward, or buy 4, get 6. So I thought this was a good deal to show you. And you can get the Gain Flings, the liquid, and the beads. So you want to buy each one of those for $5.49 a piece. Now, looking through my digital coupons, I noticed I still had dollar coupons for each type. A fling, a liquid, and a beads. So if you don't get Gain like I typically don't get, you might have those coupons. I don't know because I don't typically buy Gain anymore. I used to love it. But then when I started couponing again and I discovered Persil, I never buy Gain anymore. But anyways, use those 3 digital coupons. Your total will be $13.47. You will get back a $5 register reward, and it'll be $8.47 for the 3 products, which I don't think is half bad. So then you can always use the register rewards and the Walgreens cash to pay your out-of-pocket to help lower the out-of-pocket. And I have one more deal I want to show you in case you have a 20% off coupon, or if you got some extra register rewards from the double dips that you have burning a hole in your pocket or you need to make use of. This is another deal that you can use it on. Get yourself something a little nicer than what we typically get, and that's on the Native Body Wash. They're buy 2, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. This has been a monthly deal. So buy 2 of the body wash at $8.99 a piece. Use one of those $4 store register rewards. That would bring your total down to $13.98. You will get back $4 in Walgreens cash. Now, if you're newer to couponing, when you use something like a store or register reward to lower your out-of-pocket, it lowers your out-of-pocket, but it doesn't change the cost of the product. So this total would still be $13.98 for both of them, but what you actually pay out of your own pocket is a different number than what the actual cost is, if you know what I mean. So that's why I put $13.98 as the final cost for 2 of them, but the store register reward will bring your total down so you don't have to pay as much out of pocket. So next we have some spend booster scenarios. I'm going to do 2. So this week on my accounts, I just got spend at 25, get back $7 in Walgreens cash. I don't know if I've ever got one of those before, but I've seen a lot of other people got them too. So I wanted to show you a simple deal using it, and then I'll show you another deal. So grab 2 of the Bounty paper towel or the Charmin, whichever size the Charmin is included. I didn't see what size is included. So then you'll grab 2 of the Gillette shave foam. That'll bring your total up to $27.96. Now with this specific scenario, you only want to use a $1 digital coupon for the Bounty. You do not want to use a store register reward with this scenario. So then that'll bring your total down to $26.96. But then you'll get back $7 in Walgreens cash for your digital booster. you'll get back a $4 register reward for the Gillette and a $6 register reward for the Bounty, making your total for this scenario $9.96, which seems maybe high. It's not the typical moneymaker, but you're getting 2 packs of the Bounty, so it's like buying 1 pack of Bounty and getting the other one for free and free shave gel. So I think this is a pretty good deal. Of course, you can always use register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket, but just a manufacturer's register reward. So next we have a scenario where you spend $25, you get back $7, and Walgreens Cash is a digital booster, but you also combine it with a spend $40, get back $9 in Walgreens Cash paper booster. Now, I get this question a lot, and I get asked, I have, say this scenario, where my paper booster is more than my spend booster. How much do I have to spend? In this scenario here, you have to spend $40 worth. You don't have to spend $40 plus $25. You just have to hit the highest threshold. So the highest one in this case is $40. And I think people just get a little confused, which it's very easy to do at Walgreens because the digital booster is less than the paper booster. So typically it's the other way around. So I can see why people would get confused that way. So we're going to buy 3 of the Olay body wash. We're going to buy 2 of the Dawn dish soap for $3.99. We're going to buy 2 of the Febreze for $3.99. And then we're going to buy 2 of the Gillette shave foam for $3.99 and $1.99. So that will bring your total down, it'll bring it up to $42.94. You're going to use a 2 off 2 digital for the Olay body wash and the $3.30 off of 2 for the Febreze digital. That will bring your total down to $37.64. Now, since we are using a paper booster, I've only been able to do it 1 time. I've not tried to do it again because I don't want to press my luck. But typically, in most stores, you cannot use a paper booster for, say, spend $40, get back $9, and a store register reward. You typically cannot do that. Very few stores actually let that happen. Their systems allow it, not the people working there. So you can use manufacturer register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket, but you cannot use Walgreens Cash or a store register reward in this specific scenario. We haven't built our scenario up or anything like that, so you cannot use Walgreens Cash to pay. So your total is $37.64. You're going to get back $16 in Walgreens Cash, $7 for the digital booster, and $9 for the paper booster. You're going to get back a $5 register reward for the Dawn and the Febreze, a $4 register reward for the Olay, and a $4 register reward for the Gillette. You're also going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get back $5 for buying 3 of the Olay body wash, making your final total for all of those products just $3.64, which I think is a phenomenal deal considering you're getting Dawn, Olay, and Febreze. So I think that's a really good scenario. So that is everything that I have for you today for this week's prep video for next week at Walgreens. Don't forget to check out the Google Doc down below. I hope I explained a lot of different things here for you so that you're very prepared, and I'm more prepared too. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day and a great weekend, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.